Governor Kate Brown introduced two new statewide mandates today, saying Oregonians are at risk of seeing the coronavirus spiraling out of control. She's cracking down on indoor social gatherings and also expanding the face covering requirement.
We have come so far. We have sacrificed so deeply. We cannot let this virus get the best of us.
The governor announced two statewide executive orders today. First, indoor social gatherings cannot exceed 10 people. And second, you must wear a mask outside if you can't maintain 6 feet of physical distance. And this is why Oregon health officials are so concerned. Oregon saw 3 more deaths and 280 more cases today. And positive test results were at 5.8% this past week. That's the worst percentage since March. That number has been going up for 8 weeks now. Oregon health officials say the state needs to substantially increase its COVID-19 testing capacity, but the state is running into one major obstacle. Fox 12's Brenna Kelly joins us now live with what Governor Kate Brown says Oregon needs from the federal government.
Well, Pete, alongside the governor, health officials said today in a press conference, much like Oregon experienced in the beginning of the pandemic, the state is running into supply chain issues around testing due to increasing national demand. As of the most recent data, the Oregon Health Authority estimates overall testing capacity at about 41,000 weekly tests. OHA Director Pat Allen says over the past month, the state's been testing closer and closer to capacity at about 30 to 35,000 tests per week. But about 8,000 of those weekly tests are now at risk due to supply chain disruptions, according to Allen. They're running into issues all over the system, from collection kits to pipette tips. So the governor has asked the federal government for additional resources, supplies, and funding around testing.
And it's not surprising, with the huge increase in disease around the rest of the country, the demand elsewhere, again, as the governor indicated, we're a little bit of a victim of our own success. We fall out of the prioritization list if it's based solely on how much disease is there, because we're one of the lowest infection rate states in the country.
And as the governor put it today, no good deed goes unpunished. The OHA is exploring opportunities right now to expand collection and testing services. They're aiming to more rapidly and extensively test these communities with outbreaks in more targeted ways. Reporting live in studio, Brenna Kelly, Fox 12 Oregon.